Ever wonder how you can split the dinner bill with friends without digging for cash or dealing with awkward IOUs? Or maybe you've needed to send money to a family member in a pinch. That's where Zelle comes in, a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money directly between U.S. bank accounts. So, what exactly is it? Think of Zelle as the digital bridge between bank accounts. It's a payment network created by a consortium of major U.S. banks, which means it's integrated directly into the mobile banking apps of hundreds of financial institutions. This tight integration is its superpower. Instead of using a separate app that holds your money, Zelle simply moves it from your account to your recipient's account. Here's how it works. To get started, you'll need to make sure your bank or credit union is a partner. Most major ones are. If they are, you probably already have access to Zelle directly within your existing mobile banking app. If your bank isn't a partner, no problem. You can download the standalone Zelle app and link your Visa or MasterCard debit card. Once you're set up, sending money is super simple. All you need is the recipient's U.S. mobile phone number or email address. You don't need their account number or any other sensitive banking details. You just select the contact, enter the amount, and hit send. The money typically moves from your account to theirs within minutes. It's almost instantaneous. Now, a crucial point about Zelle is that it's designed for transactions between people you know and trust. Because the money moves so quickly, there's no buyer or seller protection like you might find with other services. So, be cautious. Only use it to send money to friends, family, or people you are absolutely sure about. Think of it like handing someone cash. Once it's gone, it's gone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.